Good day everyone, I am Mary Jane Adlaw, a first year of Bachelor of Science and Hospitality Management student. For our performance task, I will be conducting a short interview with a hospitality practitioner. So today, I'm here at the Gigi's Restaurant and Hotel to learn about their experiences and the factors that contribute to the growth of tourism and hospitality industry. So let's go! Good day, ma'am. My name is Mary Jane Adlaw and I am a first year of Bachelor of Science and Hospitality Management student. So for our performance task, I am conducting a short interview about the factors that contribute to the growth of tourism and hospitality industry. So before let's begin, may I know your name, position, and how long have you been working in the industry, ma'am?
My name is Alaika Abasolo. My position in this hotel is housekeeping staff, and I've been working here in hotel almost 2 years.
Thank you, ma'am. So, the main question is, based on your experience in the tourism and hospitality industry, what are the 3 factors that have struck you in the most and why?
My first struck me most based on my experience is first, cleanliness and hygiene. So, dapat ang rooms is i-maintain hapon ang cleanliness and ang every area is dapat sanitized and ang guest is always make sure na comfortable and safe. And the second is attention to detail. So, dapat ang mga bedsheet is dapat naka-arrange and dapat hinlo ang mga bedsheet, then complete ang amenities, and then can greatly improve the guest experience. And the third is efficiency and professionalism. So, dapat ang mga housekeeping staff is dapat ilahang paghinlo, kanang paspas ang paghinlo, then dapat dili sila angay suguon, dapat kay na sila mga ilang mga trabahoon, then dapat respectfully while maintaining the quality of service, dapat ilahang staff na amoy respect each other.
So, thank you so much, ma'am, for taking the time to share your experience with me. So, your answer helped me understand about how different factors can influence the growth of the tourism and hospitality industry. So, once again, thank you for sharing your time and sharing your valuable insight. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And that concludes our interview. Today, we'll learn that cleanliness and hygiene, attention to detail, and efficiency and professionalism are important in providing the hospitality industry. I would like to thank our interviewee for sharing their valuable insights and experiences. Once again, I am Mary Jane Adlaw, a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management student.
I just had to let you know you're